I'm going to tell you how to eliminate onion odor immediately from your hands when you're cooking and dealing with raw onions. What you need to do is use stainless steel. Now, I have a product here, so please don't go rubbing your refrigerator and faucets, y'all. This I bought from Amazon. Look at this. The link is in this description so you too can get yours. This is a stainless steel soap product. Okay, so I'm going to show you what this is about. I am actually going to be preparing some green onions right here. I'm cutting them up. I'm going to saute some mushrooms so I can put it over my salad. Now, you may also use green onions or yellow onions or red onions. Of course we do, right? If you're cooking food for your family, you're often adding onions to the mix. And so normally I would use gloves, right? But with this product here, I don't have to. Don't have to use the gloves. So let's get started. I am going to show you how this works. This odor remover bar. Let's take it out of the box, and here it is. And take it out of the packaging here. This is what it looks like, okay? This is it, and it looks like a bar of soap, but this is actually stainless steel. Now to go ahead, I'm going to cut my onions. Oh, so delicious. I don't know about you, but I love adding all kinds of variations of onions to my meals. And so for this particular one, I am going to saute these green onions along with the mushrooms and then top it off on my salad. I am really looking forward to this. And the wonderful thing is that onions kind of have that fresh smell, especially green onions. It reminds me of kind of being outdoors or in a garden. But the thing is, we really don't want that smell to stay on our fingers, right? We kind of want that to go away. So the stainless bar is going to do just that. So I've cut my onions here. All right. And just so I am going to show you, okay, just for the fun of it. Ooh, yeah, I'm going to put these onions all over my fingers. To really get the odor on there, okay? Yeah, smell. Okay, you can't. I'll smell it for you. Oh, yeah. These are fresh green onions. The odor is there. So, that's that. Now, let's wash the hands first. All right, I have washed my hands with dish liquid. And as you know, that does not remove the smell. Okay, I'm smelling for you. I still smell the fresh green onions on my fingers. Also, look at this. It comes with this wonderful soap holder. How lovely and convenient is that? So that way you can just place this right onto your kitchen sink. Now, how this works is this way. I'm going to go ahead and go over these very simple two-step directions. First, what we're going to do is simply run cold water over the bar and then rub it on your hands to remove the strongest odor. So come with me over to the sink. And here we are. So let's run cold water and simply, just as if you were using a regular bar of soap. Yeah, there it is, and get over those fingertips there, all over your hands, especially where the odor remained after you washed your hands with the liquid soap, and you just do like this. Isn't this amazing? I mean, this is absolutely, I almost want to use the word magic. It's magical. How about that? I love it because I cannot stand the smell of onions. You can also use this with garlic or anything that's really has a potent smell that you don't want on your fingers. This is absolutely wonderful. And of course, right here is the holder. All done. You just put it in the holder and you can leave it right on your sink. Now, take a smell. There's no onion smell on my hands. This is just, oh my gosh, this makes me want to sing like, isn't this lovely? Isn't this wonderful? It is absolutely wonderful. Go and get yours. Tap the link that I've provided for you in this description. There's a variety of these type of products to choose from. You're more than welcome to purchase the one that I use. Again, I'm telling you, this is a must-have.